Review scope. In this lesson, you learned about scope and how it impacts the accessibility of different variables. Let's review the following terms. Scope is the idea in programming that some variables are inaccessible from other parts of the program. Blocks are statements that exist within curly braces. Global scope refers to the context within which variables are accessible to every part of the program. Global variables are variables that exist within global scope. Block scope refers to context within which variables are accessible only within the block they are defined. Local variables are variables that exist within block scope. Global namespace is the space in our code that contains globally scoped information. Scope pollution is when too many variables exist in a namespace or variable names are reused. As you continue your coding journey, remember to use best practices when declaring your variables. Scoping your variables tightly will ensure that your code has clean, organized, and modular logic. Instructions: practice the concepts you've learned in the code editor. So, what we're going to practice now. Let's start off with a let variable named my name. And then we're going to set it equal to a string called Fabio. Then we're going to create a new function called my city. Oops. Then we're going to give it parameters. No, we'll leave it empty, no parameters. Then we're going to take my name, reassign it someone else's name. Let's just say John. Then we're going to console.log my name within the block scope. I'm going to run it. Nothing, because we need to call it just outside the block scope. So in other words, we're going to say, for instance, we're going to call the function itself, which is my city, right? And you see when I call my city, it gives me John because I've reassigned that variable. If you set it to an empty string, it should give Fabio, right? Okay. Right, guys, I guess that was great practice for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.